Hey, all you Lancaster County, Pennsylvania fans. This is Danielle with L Living, and I'm here for a couple reasons today on this video. First of all, I want to send a big thank you out to you all for getting me to 6,000 subscribers. That makes me super happy. I just love that we have a community on here who love Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, who love to talk about all there is to do there. So I just love this community. I really appreciate you all so much. So thank you for getting me to this point. It's a lot of fun for me. It's a big passion of mine. I love Lancaster and I love people, so it's a great combination of those two things. So, in addition to that, and connected to that, is I'm announcing a get-together. So on Friday, July 17th, via the Amish Farm and House in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, which is right along Route 30, next to the very big Target, right down there near the outlet malls. This place offers what is called Sunset Dinner on an Amish farm, and they finally released their dates this week. I've been waiting for this for months. And so on Friday, July 17th, about 3 p.m., from 3 p.m. till about 8 p.m., we are going to have a get-together with the Amish Farm and House at the Sunset Dinner tour. And so there's only space for 28 people. My family's going, the Virginia Fun Seekers are going. So there are probably about 18 spots for sure available right now, but they can't block it off for just our group. So if you want to go and you want to join us, sign up ASAP so we can get our group in there and reserve those spots. I'm really excited about this because I love this tour. I did this tour last September, did a video on it, which I'll link. And it's just a really cool way to learn about Lancaster County, to learn about the Amish, to just hang out with people, hang out with your friends, and go have a fun dinner on an Amish farm. And it's at sunset, and it truly is beautiful at that time of day. Most of the farms are going to have some great views, so it's a really fun tour, a way for us all to get together who love Lancaster. I like the idea of doing it via the Amish Farm and House, so you all have to sign up yourselves. I'll put a link on here. I'm going to walk you through it on the video. It's very easy. Just make sure you choose the right date and the right tour, and then you'll meet us there on Friday, July 17th. Some of you have asked if we could do a get-together with this channel, and I wanted to do it for a while, and I couldn't figure out how to do it and when and who could join us, but this is a way that's as far in advance as I could make it. And it's a way that you all can sign up yourselves. I'm not dealing with money or tickets or sign-ups. And if you need help, of course, let me know. But very easy to sign up, and it's a really fun tour. So if you want to join us at the Sunset Dinner, follow the instructions on the video, look at the link below. It's very easy, and it's about $65 per person for the entire thing. That includes the dinner on the Amish farm, includes the bus ride tour to the farm, which is also part of the fun, by the way. So much fun going through the country and hearing about Lancaster County. It also includes the Amish house tour on property at the Amish Farm and House. So the Amish Farm and House has an Amish house that you walk through and you learn about how they live. They have a whole farm property with a schoolhouse, a barn, like a blacksmith shop, and a whole bunch of like old-time farm museum experiences that you can walk around. So they say to give yourself at least 2 hours, 3 hours would be safer, just really take your time and walk through that property before we get on the bus at 5 and they take us to the Amish farm. So it is a big day, it's half a day, it's really half a day. So you wanna hang out with me and my family and learn about the Amish and learn about Lancaster County, come join us on July 17th. Now to tie it back into the thank you, a lot of times I do giveaways for every 1,000 subscribers I hit. I'm gonna do it with the 6,000, but instead of like the miniature gifts I usually give away, like multiple of those, I'm gonna actually give away one of these tickets to the Amish Farm and House. So it's a very specific prize. Obviously you should not sign up for this if you can't go. But if you would like to go to the Amish Farm and House and you wanna join us, I will pay for your ticket, I will sign up for you, and you will get a free pass into this thing. I will also do it for you if you wanna go some other time. But the prize is a ticket at the Sunset Dinner on Amish Farm through the Amish Farm and House. So that is the ticket. All you gotta do to enter the contest is put your name in the comment below. Just put in Sunset Dinner giveaway in the comments, the town and state you live in, and we will go from there. You have to be able to go to this place this year in order to redeem this giveaway. So they have weekend dinners from end of May through the very beginning of September. So you have to be able to go to one of those weekends to redeem this ticket. So that is the deal. that's how you enter this. This is my thank you to you all. I'm excited to see who wins. It's hard for me to have one winner because I like to have multiple winners, but this is a bigger giveaway. A really fun ticket, and I hope you can join us on July 17th. I think it's going to be a really fun evening. I know it's going to be a fun evening, but I think it's going to be more fun with you all coming. So make sure you get on there as soon as you can and sign up for that time slot before other people come in and take the slot. So if I get a lot of interest that exceeds the 28 people limit, we will figure out something else for the next day, July 18th. I will announce the winner on a live stream on Saturday, May 23rd, 10 a.m. Central Standard Time, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that's when I will have the live stream announcement. I'm just going to do the wheel that spins and tell you who wins. That rhymes. That's how we find out who will win this giveaway. You don't have to be a part of the live stream to accept the winnings, but you do have to email me within a week in order to do so. Those are the basics of what you need to know and what you need to do. Again, it's only for a specific prize of the Amish Farm and House. So I would not enter this if you can't go. And I will have other giveaways eventually. I do it every 1,000 subscribers. So the more subscribers I get, the sooner I'll have another one. So that is it. Very excited to hopefully see some of you there on July 17th. Hoping I can give away a fun prize to somebody in a week. Enjoy your next week. Enjoy the rest of your day. But thank you guys again for being a part of this community and subscribing to this channel. I love to hear what you have to say. I love to hear your suggestions. So keep them coming, and I'll see you on the live stream.